In this video we are going to look at a long-term trend change and how that affects a long-term automated trading system. You might not have seen anything from me because in the last 2 weeks my system stopped trading. Actually, the last trade was, I think, 2 weeks ago, and that was the time when the price started to fall. It actually fell to a price level below the 2 moving averages, and it still took about 1 week until the moving averages started to get closer together, and they actually crossed about 2 or 3 days ago. But it still took a while until the trading system started to open new positions. And the reason is that you will see a trend strength here on the chart. That is a calculated value, and basically it calculates if the trend is above or below a certain value, because in this phase here you can see that the 2 moving averages are so close together that it could have changed at any time. But now that the system started to trade again on the other side of the 2 moving averages, it actually picked up some speed. Currently we have a balance of $100,711, and I guess the last profitable trade was closed about 5 minutes ago. Let's actually load the FX Blue statistics. Once all those ads have been loaded here, we should be able to see some details. So yes, we have made a profit of $711.02 since we restarted the system on January the 7th. And when you click on this menu here, you have several options that you can pick. And let's look at the equity curve. This one is slightly off, but almost equal to the balance curve. So technically speaking, we never had a drawdown so far. This should refresh every 5 minutes or so. I will try to refresh the page now. And now it says we made another profit here. And somewhere here we also can see the daily profit and some other stats. Here is the list. Now let's try to sort that for the current day. Okay, today is January the 31st. The current balance is equal to the current equity. And if I zoom in, we should be able to see that we have made about a dozen transactions today and a few yesterday. And the last one before that time was 2 weeks ago. So I actually was right. And when you zoom into the chart, you can see that this time span here is just a few seconds in a backtest or a few centimeters on your chart. But one of the hardest things for most traders is to see an automated system that is not trading all the time. But technically it works and it is profitable. And you can check out each and every trade on this website here. As the system was profitable all the time, I could now close the account and take the money. Technically, we wouldn't have needed such a big account, but it's still very early in the process. And I think in the next few weeks we will see a lot more movement. So actually this system was running for 1 week, then it had a break for 2 weeks, and now we are trading for 2 days. And so far I'm satisfied with the results. That's it for this video. I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.